everyone, myself Netravati KV, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Aid College, Mulgun. In this video, I am going to cover a small topic from the subject Business Environment and from the chapter Technological Environment. The topic I am going to cover is Technology and Plant Level Changes. The learning objective of this video is to make you to understand the relationship between the technology and plant level changes. After going through this video, you will be able to understand and analyze the effect of technology on the plant level changes. And the introduction part of this topic, the most significant impact of technology is greater productivity. Technology necessitates adjustments at plant level. Organization structure, plant layout, distribution of jobs, works, appointments of workers, execution of orders, etc., needs to be arranged and organized as per the nature of technology installed. The important issues to be considered in respect of plant level implications are firstly technology and organization structure. Technology has a great influence on organization structure. Length of a lane of command and on span of control of the chief executive, where the technology is fast changing. The firms use matrix structures, but sometimes the firms use matrix even though the technology does not change fast. Technological factors appear to explain the wide variations in the span of control of chief executives and the person responsible to the policy making body for conducting the firm's business. In the case of mass production technologies, the number of persons to be controlled by the executive tends to be larger in the customized production process. The second one is resistant to change. Technology brings change in organization, work and functioning. It will change the structure and system. Any change is always opposed by every sector of people who are affected due to such change. Introduction of technology affects owners, workers, and society. These people may not welcome technology. And the next one is fear of risk and uncertainty. And the next one is fear of risk and uncertainty. There is always the fear of risk and uncertainty in the new venture. Many businessmen do not take to adapt any new technology because of the fear of risk and uncertainty about the success of the new technology. They prefer to stick up to the existing technology so long as they earn adequate profit. And the next one is TQM, Total Quality Management. Total Quality Management means concept of quality is ensured in throughout the organization. Quality is ensured in every function, process, department, etc. Every person and activity is quality oriented. The objective of TQM is to ensure full accuracy. Application of technology will help a firm to have TQM. Every person and each process is supported with the appropriated technology to help the company to achieve quality, speed and reliability. And the next one is business process reengineering. Business process reengineering is a process which involves considering how things would be done in case the organization has all over stretch. The fundamental aim of business process reengineering is the same as that of a TQM. Search for excellence in serving the customers, that is supplying quality products and rendering quality services to the customers. And the next one is a flexible manufacturing system. Adoption of proper technology avoids installing too many machineries which are doing similar kind of function. Flexible manufacturing system can be developed with the machines machines which can manufacture components of different products. With the help of computer aided design, firm can develop design of different products having same components. These components can be manufactured in one set of machines. This will help to design the plant layout in which manner that there is no wastage of area and there is a logical flow of work. And the next one is technology obsolescence. Technology is never stagnant, it's a dynamic. The machine methods, processes, etc. always keep on reforming and changing. Continuous research and development activities will bring necessary changes to improve the existing technology. Better technology is invented that helps to reduce the cost, improve the quality, give more comfort and and convenience, etc. And references which helped me to make this video or a business environment book written by K.D. Baswa sir, Dr. M.L. Guled Good sir and S.L.M.L. Guled Good sir, and also one more book written by Professor Vivek Mittal sir. And thank you.